Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. I cannot imagine कि मैंने last video अपनी जो लगाई that was 1 year ago. It's crazy that I used to love making content for YouTube and now I just don't, I guess. The only reason why I documented this entire thing of my hair makeover and I'm posting it over here is because my henna video is one of my most popular videos, but every time someone sees that and comes to my Instagram and DMs me कि I love putting henna but it's not coming out, so what to do? And that question is something that I also had. और ये है कि when I searched on YouTube, there were literally only 2 videos that I could find about stripping off henna, and both of them had blonde hair. So like both the YouTubers had blonde hair, and it wasn't really very relevant to me because I have dark brown blackish hair, so I thought that it might help someone. So as you can see by the title of this video, I decided to bleach and dye my henna hair. Now it is very difficult to get mehndi out of anyone's hair, right? And bleach was not my first option, to be very honest. I did not want to do a cut down or a bleach on my hair because I love my hair, right? It's the only thing in my body that I actually take care of, and it was a little risky because ये है कि once you bleach your hair it can get damaged. Of course it will be damaged, but I don't know. So I decided to actually avail Atila's services. She was very kind enough to offer me her hair dye services. So we decided to go for like a balayage effect. I did ask her to do like very thin layers of bleach. I did not want like mota strips of bleach and dye. I wanted it to look as natural as possible. So this is how my hair looks, but if you want to see the entire process of before and after and what went into getting this beautiful hair, then keep on watching. And if you want to see how my hair turns out after a few washes, then please go follow me on Instagram and you will see more updates over there. So without further ado, let's get into the hair makeover. So this is what my hair looked like. I had a lot of gray roots. My henna was coming off, but like you could still see some orangish tint in the sun. So I wanted to get rid of that. So I decided to, you know what, actually let's do a balayage thing and get some new hair. So I had shared a bunch of references for Dila to make a sense of what I wanted for my hair, but as soon as I reached the salon, I was pretty confused कि कौन सा color कराना चाहिए between the left hand corner and the right hand corner, and then we decided to stick with this one on the right hand side. And so Adila started parting my hair and doing her magic, but I swear अगर मुझे अपने बाल खुद dye और bleach करने पड़ते ना तो मैं कभी भी ना करती, because I have a lot of hair and like doing a balayage technique where you need a lot of patience is so out of my comfort zone. So yeah.